Hello guys, today I want you to see dig movies. I want you to see. Wow, that's super nice. I like thumbs up for it because when I do the video part of my mom eating on the dining room, but my friend was there, but then I'm not scared. My mom teaching me because almost more than 16, and he took the children in his arms and put his hands on them and blessed them. That's my memory. I am Iyah. Angela Vibalinia. But I'm 5 years old, and my mommy. How old are you, mommy? How old are you, mommy? How old are you? 38. She's 38. I'm 5. And I'm going to be 6 next time. I'm going to be Jasmine next time on 6. Right, mommy? She said yes. She's just listening to the video. So let's go check my sister. Wow. That's my portion for the duties. I know what sounds like duties for each crab mold 30. I like that. Bye-bye, guys. Wait, but before you say bye-bye, I'm going to show you something. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Hello guys, my name is Iyah, and today I'm going to have a log of my tours on my house. It is raining outside. Daddy got visitors. Okay. So first, this is the dining room, and it has chairs. That's my mommy. And the next one is the living room. It's so nice. On here is the pictures I saw. And I want you to see how nice is my living room. That is the bar. I am trotted for thumbs up. Thumbs up. I really know this. You, me, are embedded for one videos, comments, for one more channel. Thumbs up. Bye-bye, guys. But wait, the last one is our master bedroom and our comfort room for this video. Bye-bye, guys. Today I'm going to eat snacks in this one. No.
Naka-record na.
Oo. Yummy. Yummy, mommy. Yummy. Yummy. We still need to know. And the bread is so yummy. I love it. He's cooking something. So guys, my mommy this is my mommy's surprise for me. It's gummies, and there's one more. There, I don't want to eat it. only tomorrow for snacks. But I will show what is my favorite ones. Always, always, always. Every come to L-O-I-Y-Y. Hello guys, today that is my L-O-Y-Y. I just really want to know that you guys are videos of that channel. I so excited for to you next month. And you kind to bye.